Hey guys, H1 back with another unboxing. Today I got the What the Jordan 4s, or the Jordan 4 in the What the colorway. I actually got a couple sets, one for someone for Christmas, and I got one set for me. So that's why we got two. So we'll unbox them both just because I can't have him getting the receipt in there. It's not like I'm trying to open up his gift for him. I have to open it anyways, so I might as well show you guys that. At least I'll be a little different from the other unboxings of these because I'm doing it twice. Alright, we'll go ahead and cut these ones open too for now. I'm not sure which set's mine. Mine will be 10.5 obviously, and my friend's will be size 11. So let's go ahead and look at this. Pull out one set. There's the receipt I was talking about. Alright, so right here, size 11. These ones will be the ones for my friend. That way you can see they're size 11. Open up these ones. Alright, so interesting though is that there's like no padding in the box. I got the receipt and everything in there, but there wasn't air bubbles or anything. So I mean, my boxes came in really good condition though. There's no problems. There's no like broken corners that are really bad. Says 10.5 though. These shoe boxes are really heavy, and the shoe box for the size 11 is just a little bit bigger. That makes sense though. But if you're a person who's storing all the shoe boxes like I do, that might make a difference, that little bit. Alright, you have a really nice soft black plastic, and then you got the shoe right in there. You got the tag. These are nice. These are really, really nice. This leather is super soft. Everything about this shoe I think is nice. I really like this one. I'm glad it was a general release because I was going to be really upset if I didn't get a set of these. But it's something. This is my first Jordan 4, by the way. And it's really nice to have something that nice for your first one or something. Inside is really soft. We'll go ahead and set this over here. And I'll get the other shoe out of the packaging. Alright, and we got a black set of laces with these. These might actually look better with black laces, maybe. So, or I might do one white, one black. We'll see how it goes. These are really, really nice shoes. Do like the tongues are different colors, and so are the heels. Go ahead and show you that. It's the different tongues. Wow. They're really heavy though. I mean, I guess that's Jordan's, but I've been hooping in the Jordan 34, and that is the lightest Jordan I've had on foot. Jordan basketball shoe. He does make lifestyle and training shoes that are made out of Flyknit. I don't know if we need to unbox this. I'll go and look. There's nothing really different in there, you know. We'll go ahead and leave those fresh for my guy. That way he has something nice to unbox, and it'll be all his hands and stuff on them. Won't have any of my hand grease on there. So we'll go ahead and put these aside. Put these straight in the middle of the table. Maybe I'll throw up some pictures for you guys. I mean, there's already plenty of pictures of these, and you've seen other videos most likely. Alright, a couple things that I noticed about the shoe that are just things that kind of speak to me. One thing is this hang tag. I know not a lot of people like hang tags. I think they're neat. It's not like a deal breaker for me or anything, but I did just buy on my last video. I bought my brother a set of shoes. He got the Air Max Tinker Jordan 3s, and those came with a hang tag that was like thick plastic, and it was just quality, a little bit more detail. And then also with a couple other shoes that I've gotten. This one's just really flimsy. You can see, I don't know if you guys can actually see, but it's already like bent, probably from the way the shoe was sitting on it in the box. I do wish that maybe the interior on this one wasn't white. I mean, it looks good on the shoe. That looks so good. But the white, when you wear colored socks and stuff, the little fuzzies rub off in there, and then you have speckled material. You can't throw these through the washer or anything to get that off. Maybe you guys leave a comment so I know how to get those off. This material up here is a lot softer, and if that creases, you will definitely see it more than the leather down here. This is super soft too, but it looks like it's already like pre-creased. I don't know if they do that on purpose. If you push on it, you can see all the wrinkles just come into it. So maybe it's a little bit fluffier maybe, just so that if you're moving around and stuff, it's not as tight to the shoe so it doesn't crease or rip or tear. Maybe it helps with durability. The edge right here is a little bit tougher material, you can definitely tell, than this one. That'll be good for if you wear it outside or anything, maybe in the rain. Everything else is really solid. I mean, classic Jordan shoe, just really heavy materials, kind of bulky, but good stuff. I really like this, and I really like the Jordan 4. Let me know what you guys think about my video, any suggestions or anything. Please leave a like and subscribe, and let me know if there's anything you want to know about the shoes, anything you think I should do next. I'll look down in the comments. Thanks.